Hey guys, I'm Kim Java, and today we're going to share with you some hidden features and things you did not know about your Tesla. So in the past 5 years, we've actually made 4 videos about hidden features and things Tesla is hiding from you in plain sight, and we have not made one yet for 2021 until now. So come with me inside and let's get started. So did you guys know that there are 188 voice commands for your Tesla, and they range from stuff that's pretty simple to stuff where you can tell that the Tesla engineers had a little too much fun making them. So some of the basic ones are turn on windshield wipers, or turn on dome lights, to a bit more imaginative, like, my feet are cold. And that enables the floor vents. Or you can say, turn on 2 strips of bacon for the driver's seat, and the driver's seat heater are set to medium. You can even make that turn on 3 strips of bacon for the driver's seat if you want it a little bit hotter. Now, if you get too hot, you can tell the car by saying, I'm hot. And the temperature decreases by 3 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're really hot, you can tell the car, blow me. And you can see that the fan speed increased by 1. And of course, there is also the voice command, open butthole, which opens up the charge port. So I will link a Google document below that has all the possible voice control commands. Some of them are really funny, so make sure you let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Alright, so there are also a couple of clever and useful features that are hidden in plain sight right in front of you on the control screen. So if you go over to Safety and Security and scroll down, you guys already know about pin to drive. But did you know that Tesla actually moves this every single time that you bring it up so that your fingerprints don't build up on the screen and people can see what your code is? Now, we've just put in a temporary code to show you. And if I do it again, you'll see it's slightly moved over. And again. Oh, there we go. Oh, over here now. Big thanks to Raycon for sponsoring this video. Raycon makes earbuds, headphones, and speakers, and I've fallen absolutely in love with their everyday buds that I've been using for some time now. So for what I need to do with this channel, from editing, finding the right tracks, and even my daily bike rides, a premium set of earbuds is a necessity. We've tried just about every audio brand out there, and for me, Raycons are simply a step above the rest. They start at about half the price of other premium brands and sound just as good. They also have a 32-hour battery life and come with a 45-day happiness guarantee. I also have the most difficult ears to find the right fit for, but Raycons come with a bunch of gel tips for your comfort, and unlike some other brands, they don't stick out of your ears. They're discreet, and Raycons don't fall out of your ears no matter what. They're really the best of both worlds when it comes to functionality, premium quality, and cost. By ordering Raycons, you're supporting this channel. Click in the link in the description below or go to buyraycon.com/KimJava to get 15% off your purchase. So you guys may or may not know that all Teslas ordered after July 1st of 2018 have to pay $10 a month for premium connectivity. But if you guys want to save that $120 a year, you can actually tether the internet from your phone to the car, and you can even use your phone as a hotspot when the car is in motion. So if you are doing this for the first time, you're going to make sure your car's in park, and you're going to make sure that your personal hotspot is on, and then you're going to go over to the internet tab on your car. You can see we have premium connectivity in our car, but I can go here, I can see my iPhone 12 and just enter in my password. Alright, so Wi-Fi connected, and you can see that it changes from the LTE symbol to show that you have the Wi-Fi. Now the first time, don't be alarmed if it takes a minute. It will actually remember it for future times. Now with that last software update I was talking about, what's great about it is it makes it so you don't have to enter this in every single time like you used to. So now you have access to the music, you have access to the browser, movies, all that stuff, but you do lose two things. You do not have the satellite views or the live traffic data. Those are things that Tesla is holding back so that hopefully you will sign up for that $10 a month. All right, now moving to the back of the car. Did you guys know that there are at least 5 ways that you can open your car's charge port, and the 6th one is probably the most important, and I'll tell you about it in a second. So the first easiest way is to push the button on your charger. You can also tap your charger. You can also use your app. Open charge port door, there you go, from the screen inside your Tesla. On your key fob, if you press the trunk button, if you have a key fob for your 3NY, you actually go over to your car and then you're going to press on and hold on the trunk. And there you go. And probably one of the most important methods to open your charge port that most people don't even know about is actually hidden right here inside of your trunk. And we've had to use this once before, but right here there is an opening with a tab, and if you pull this, you can manually open your charge port if you ever lose power in your car. So in the Model X, it is also there, but it's a little more hidden. It's actually right up here, and you can feel it with your fingers, and you could potentially pull it pretty easily. Okay, here's another pro tip for you guys. If you guys love Tesla streaming music, but you have little kids in the car and you don't want them to hear all the bad words and songs, it's really easy to turn it off. You just go into your music, you go to settings, you're gonna go to options, and you can turn off the explicit content. All right, now moving to the front trunk. So you guys have all seen this orange tab inside of here, and it is a high voltage cut point, so first responders can safely turn off your car if you get in an accident. But did you know that there is also a second one that is hidden from you in case the front end of your car gets destroyed in a crash? So in the Model 3, the cutoff point is actually in the rear pillar window right about here. Now check it out. You can actually see on the sticker where it says to go, and check out this video of a first responder actually going inside to get to that cutoff loop. And believe it or not, Tesla actually recommends cutting your car. They say to cut up to 4 inches through this rear pillar with a saw to ensure safety. Also, a couple of quick software tricks that I know you guys will appreciate. You can actually tap on the battery percentage, make sure you tap on the number, and you can toggle between miles and percent. And if you guys are brave enough to take your car through a car wash, you can actually go into the control, go to service, and there is a car wash mode for that, and that will actually close all your windows, lock the charge port, and disable windshield wipers, sentry mode, walk-away door locks, and parking sensor chimes. All right guys, so that is it. Let me know if there are any hidden features that were new for you, or ones that maybe we didn't talk about that you think we should include in our next video. If you haven't already, make sure you visit our website, it's kimjava.com, for some really fun Tesla-inspired t-shirts and gear on there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and are subscribed to our channel. Thanks.